Welcome to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on notifications on Instagram. So if you want to get notified all the likes, follows, comments, or messages on your Instagram, you just need to turn on these notifications. So how you can do that, go to your profile icon at the bottom right corner. And then right over here, tap on the three lines at the top right corner. So next you can see the settings option. So just tap the settings. And you will see notifications option right here. So you need to tap these notifications. And you need to turn off or toggle off this pause all option right here. So you can receive some notifications. And also right over here at the bottom, you can see all these post stories and comments. You need to make sure that all of these have been turned on. So for example, you want to turn on, just tap this one and go to settings and tap in show notifications right here. So you can do that to all of these options. So you just turned on this one so you can receive all that notifications from your Instagram. So the second method is going to do is go to the settings of your mobile phone, and then you just try to look on the notification settings right here, and then tap on app notifications. So if you didn't see that on your Android, you just go to search option and find this notifications option. So right here, you need to tap on search for apps and then search for Instagram, then tap on this one. Then you need to make sure that it was toggled on the show notification so you can notify all likes, comments, messages, or follows on Instagram. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.